episode of Pure Adventure. Today we took the bus going to the Pacific coast, driving over the mountains, making adventure happening. So just enjoy the landscape while I'm in the crazy bus. As you can see, there's kind of a little river over there, and this looks like straight jungle. It's just like super concrete jungle, like a place that no one has discovered yet, or no one has destroyed yet, let's say. So let's find out. Going to go to waterfall and then check out how life is gonna flow with us. That's just how they do it in Colombia, man. Motorbike railway. My friend, ¿cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? La otra. La otra. Crazy shit. Welcome to Colombian Railways. So I just got this nice hotel room here for around €7 I would say, and has a nice view outside.